Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you are in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So if you're enjoying the content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, guys. I am so excited to have the opportunity to share this with you because this is something that I do. If there's a couple of items in the add-ons that intrigue me, and as you know on my channel, I do get a lot of products. So especially from IPSY, I get their bag, I get their plus, I get the Glam X, I do the flash sales, I do the second add-ons, I do their custom boxes. There's always something. I cannot believe that there's always something in there with such a fantastic deal that I can't not choose a little something here or there. But if there's something in the add-on section that I want to try, I try to get then at least 5 of them so that I can build my own what I call custom bag through the $3 section. And that is what I'm doing here again for you guys today, because there were a few items here that I was really excited to have the opportunity to try. And once I got into 2 or 3 of them, I said, okay, we're going to do one of those custom bags again this month. So that is why you saw it like this. I wanted to be able to share it with you and tell you that this is my custom bag with 5 sample sizes in the $3 section. Okay, so as you know on my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to take a picture for Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I really hope that you do there as well. It is free, and the name there is True Wants with the number 2. I share a lot on Instagram that I'm not able to share on YouTube because it's simply a picture, or it's my towers, or it is opening up boxes at the end of the month showing everything that I've purchased during the month or received during the month. So I want to make sure that you guys, if you're not following me there, that you do. And like I said, it's free, and I love being able to share everything. And so if you're missing out on anything that I'm sharing, it would be found on Instagram. And like I said, my name there is True Wants with the number 2. So I open up everything prior to, I take a picture for Instagram, and then I make sure everything that was supposed to be in the bag is in the bag. And then I sit down with my notes and I share with you all the information. All right. Okay. The first item that I chose for myself is one that I tell you guys all the time. This is a brand that I'm so impressed with. It's an IPSY brand called Complex Culture. And this brand I got introduced to through their brushes. And their brushes to me are as good as, if not better than, my IT Cosmetic brushes, which to me set the bar pretty high. Then I had the opportunity to try a lot of their products, and their packaging is very luxury at phenomenal prices. You are getting all the knowledge of what they were able to learn through being in the beauty industry to then put into one of their brands, I think is absolutely fantastic. So this is the Good Glow Blush Single in Flustered. I will show you the color of that as well. I also was able to, on the website, get a discount code, which I will leave in the description box down below as well. So if this is of interest to you, you'd be able to get a discount, a nice discount on Complex Culture that I found on the IPSY website. This is, like I said, a deluxe sample size, but it's a huge size, and I will show you. This is a blendable, buildable blush that allows you to create a soft, barely there flush or a full-on pop of color, depending on your vibe. The formula is made without sketchy ingredients and only the good stuff. It says use your favorite blush brush to apply a small amount directly onto your apples of your cheek, then blend upwards in a sweeping motion. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. They're saying about the brand, this collab between beauty pros and a community of women aims to simplify your routine so you feel twice as confident in half the time. Is that not the best? Okay, so when you open this, there is no mirror inside. There is this little safety shield, and this is the color here. I'll do a quick little swatch. This here feels very silky. You can see there's no real fallout. Like I said, I've had the opportunity to try a lot from this brand, and this is stunning. This is very much that pinky peachy, which is the color that I always suggest you have in your arsenal, because no matter what you're wearing, and if you choose to change during the day, like from what you wore to work to what you want to wear going out, you will not have to change your blush based on, oh, I wore all pinks today, or I wore all peaches today, or I wore this type of color. You would be able to use this blush for all of it. So excited about that color. So that is definitely a winner. And that color, like I said, I will leave everything in the description box down below, is called Flustered. The next item was one that I did, I ended up choosing it as one of my items. So when I had this as an option in the add-ons for $3, to get the other side of it, which is this one here, is from Belle Argent. This is a brush that is $16 in the $3 section. And this is called the Shady Crease and Blend Brush. This is obviously full size. It's an eyeshadow brush. And I'm telling you, you can make a brush collection in that $3 section on IPSY. It is fantastic. So this is a multitasking brush. It will make it easy to create the epic eye looks whenever you want. Use it to apply color on your lids and to define your eye creases for definition. This is a soft synthetic bristle blend and build color with minimal fallout. They're saying dust it into your eyeshadow, then sweep it onto your lids and into your eye crease. This is also vegan and cruelty free. And about the brand, it's inspired by a life in the arts. Belle en Argent pays homage to women on all sides of the stories being told by actors, writers, directors, photographers, and producers. The results are these timeless products with rich pigments and camera-ready textures. If you haven't seen any other product from Belle Argent, they come in these very art deco type of packaging, and I have been so impressed with their brand. So now that they're introducing us to brushes from their brand, I could not wait to try them. They are so soft and luxurious. I knew they would be, but it always impresses me when you get to touch it and feel it. And to me, in a $3 section, it is the best way to be able to try. The next one was this, and this impressed me, and I said, I have to do this. This is from HipDot. I had the opportunity to get previously in other bags the HipDot brand, and I was blown away. And this is one that, like I said, if I can get it in a smaller version, I definitely wanted to grab it. And then the 3 colors in here I thought were perfect to tie together for a small trio. So this one is called the Mystic Glitterbomb Trio. It's in Dreamcatcher, Silhouette, and Blossom. They're saying to create your most gorgeous fall eye looks with this mix of mattes, glitters, and shimmers from HipDot is a beloved Mystic Mauves, Flower Bomb, and Nude Nouveau palette. Each shade is soft, smooth, and blends like a dream. Dreamcatcher is a matte, dusty rose. The Silhouette is a gorgeous black glitter. And Blossom is that deep berry matte. Use a blending brush to apply your matte shades to your lids. Use a densely packed brush or your finger to apply the black glitter shade for maximum impact. This brand is also vegan and cruelty free. And about the brand, they're saying it is an exhilarating, energetic, and bold. HipDot is rewriting the rules of beauty with products that let you be your best creative self. Like I said, I was so blown away by the couple of eyeshadow palettes that when I had a second chance to get another one, I did. So when this popped up, look how perfect those colors are. You have your everyday color, you have your deepening color, and then you have that fantastic, which I think is that New Year's Eve type of black that has a bit of glitter in it. So let's get a swatch of this because I am really excited about that. So those are the 3 colors there. The pigmentation on their brand, I think, is absolutely beautiful. The black you're going to have to be very careful with because it is true glitter, which is one that I tell you guys always be very, very careful. If I'm going to use any glitter, which I'm always hesitant to because I wear glasses, always try to use the one that I use and that I recommend. Not that I've used others, but I've been impressed with the one that I've been using. Is from Too Faced. It is their glitter primer glue. And that is one that whenever I choose to like go a little bit out of my comfort zone and use any of these, that's what I choose to do. But even if I don't use that black, these 2 colors are beyond stunning. And that's really the 2 that I went for. So to me, that, black glitter in the middle is more of, like I said, that New Year's Eve, once in a while I would play with that. But those other 2 were definitely wants of mine. And to have it in a $3 palette, I think is absolutely fantastic. The next one was a new brand that I wanted to have the opportunity to try. So if you've tried this brand, please share it in the comments down below. It is showing up a couple of times, so I said I should be able to try it in the $3 section so I can know more about the brand, and it's called Papa Recipe. And this is a tea tree control green mud mask. This is a deluxe sample size. Excuse me, a long day. This one here says, throw away your blotting papers, people. This mattifying mask uses green tea mud tea tree oil and eggplant extract to help minimize excess sebum production, declog your pores, and soothe inflammation. It says apply to clean skin, leave on for 15 minutes, and then rinse with warm water. It is free from artificial dyes and fragrances, parabens, and mineral oil. They're saying about this brand, it is an innovators behind K-beauty brand Papa Recipe believe that good synthetic skincare begins with local and healthy ingredients. So everything that I was reading about this brand I thought was really intriguing. It does come with a safety seal, which I will just remove, and we'll just put a little bit on the back of the hand so that we can see what this looks like. And yeah, it's one of those mud masks. There is that green color. I got introduced to mud masks actually from Borghese. It's an Italian brand, and I literally was using that for so many years. It came in these big like mason jars, and they were so fantastic, and they really did such a great job on my skin. I'm a combo girl, so when I see masks that are similar, I always want to be able to have the opportunity to try them and compare. So this one is new to me, and it is this Papa Recipe. Like I said, if you've had the opportunity to try, please share it in the comments down below. And then the last one was one that when I shared with you in the add-ons, when we were going through it, I could not wait to, and this is what started off the whole package. This is from Glossier. This is such a high-end brand. The fact that this is now part of our IPSY family, I am over the top that I'm going to have the opportunity to try so much from this brand that has always been on my wants list. This is their Milky Jelly Cleanser. This is a face wash. It's formulated with gentle cleansing ingredients with 5 skin conditioners, and it has even vitamin B5 in here. And this moisturizing wash helps leave your skin looking plump and feeling baby soft post-rinse. Massage a dime-sized amount onto your damp skin. It's safe to use around your eye area, and then rinse with warm water. This is the ultra gentle formula. It is safe for all skin types, including sensitive and acne-prone skin. It says you will love Glossier's unique trend-setting products that get to the heart of your skin and even your makeup needs. So this is one that I'm really excited to have the opportunity to share. It is a no safety seal on here. We're going to take a little bit out of the tube. It is one of those clearer formulas, so hopefully the camera is picking it up. There is no scent to this either. That is what that looks like there. Yeah, there is no scent. And then this is really, really exciting. Like I said, I am so excited, but that's what started this whole bag, was something from Glossier. So just to recap, we got a gorgeous blush from Complex Culture, which is a brand that I highly recommend. Belle Argent, another brand that I highly recommend, but this is the first time I'll be trying their brushes. This cute trio from HipDot, which is a brand that I use and I highly recommend. A new brand that we're going to have the opportunity to try, and of course, the Glossier, which I cannot believe this luxury brand was available in the $3 section. So that is everything that I chose for myself to make my own customized bag. How do you think I did? Are any of these items that you chose for yourself as well? Or even they might have been items that IPSY chose for you in your bags. So please share that with me in the comments down below. And that's it for today. So take care, everybody. Continue to stay well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.